The hell? You guys going camping or something? So he's back in there. Holy.
Alright, off on another winter adventure. We're gonna do a 2-nighter winter camping trip out on some Crown land and
one of our favorite lakes.
yeah, seems like we got a lot of stuff.
We have a lot of stuff this year.
But hey, we want to be comfortable when we're winter camping. It's going down to minus 20, below minus 20 tonight. And we're gonna be doing some ice fishing, hopefully catch some fish. Got some good food to cook up. Should be a good time. All right, so doing a little 2-nighter winter camping here. We got some actual winter. Got a nice like 20 centimeter snowfall a couple days ago, and our buddy Amos has been kind enough to run some of our gear out on his sled here, and well, he's gonna do some ice fishing too. So yeah, we found a spot we're going to try out right in here. We're going to put up the winter tent, and hopefully it doesn't get too windy off the lake, but we're in kind of a little bay here, so it's sheltered on all sides except for one. So yeah, we're gonna get things set up and probably get a little fire going outside here and set some lines and yeah, cut some firewood, and should be a good time. Timber.
Put the axe in a safe location.
Good idea. Safety first.
Supposed to film that. Always keep your axe where you can find it.
Yeah.
Trick of the season and second in as many games for league leading.
came by.
Hello there.
Amos and Hillary are in the ice shack.
Live stream. Good sandwich.
Think those burgers are ready?
Enough.
I mean, it's pretty. Oh, is it sand?
Never catch anything.
Little brook trout.
I'll come close. Nice.
Yeah, nice one. All right, gonna try smoking this brook trout here. I haven't really tried this before, but just push some coals over onto the far side under the grill there, and gonna try throwing some cedar on there to get some smoke. I'm trying to keep it on low heat. And we'll see how it goes. Worst case, it'll just get cooked the normal way. Our attempt at smoked trout. Kind of looks smoked. It's been about a couple hours, and then we just put it closer to the fire. That skin kind of just peels right off. Fresh trout. I wouldn't call it smoked. It's actually not overcooked. So. Steaks. Nice crust on there.
Lost a potato.
I lost the potato in there. Into the abyss. What's that?
Looks good. Nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Alright, well, we had a good night in our second night in our tent. It was down to probably minus 25. I least that's what the weather was saying. It's probably -20 now, and we got a nice sunny day, and we're gonna get everything packed up and head back out. It's maybe a couple kilometer hike out, and again, our buddy's gonna help us out with his sled, and he's got to take some of his fishing stuff back too. So yeah, it was great, nice and warm. We did let the fire go out last night, which we usually do. It's, unless you want to get up every hour and a half, you kind of just bundle up, and sleeping bags keep us warm. The dog was warm. She was underneath a down jacket, and yeah, it was good. And we just fired it up again this morning and cooked some breakfast, cooked some coffee. Nice to catch a nice brook trout, and yeah, it's a long winter, and it's nice to have this this tent and have the ability to come out and just, you know, come out for a couple of days and get away from the city and just relax and have some fun. And I wouldn't say I would want to do this every weekend. It is a lot of work. Winter camping is a lot different than coming out here. We come out here summer camping, and we'll throw everything you know, in the car and pack a few things and portage the canoe in, and no problem. But this is it takes more preparation to bring all the right gear out, and it's a lot of work cutting firewood. It kind of gives you just gives you the ability to go and set up almost like your own little cabin on any lake or crown land or park, and you got somewhere warm to go into. We were in t-shirts in there, and it's nice and toasty and warm, and it means you can kind of get out to some places that, you know, if you want to stay out longer than just for the day, then you can go out and fish and snowshoe, and it just kind of gives you that different perspective too. Just even just seeing everything at night, it's pretty cool. So how was your winter camping weekend?
It was good. Yeah. Challenges you a bit. It gets you a little bit uncomfortable. But then you get rewarded in the end with inside our hot tent, and you get nice and cozy and warm. And I like the fact that we can just disconnect from our cell phones and our busy lives, and just kind of get back to the simple flow of life. Like, you're just worried about, you know, getting your tent up or cutting firewood or getting warm. And then I also like the fact that I can relax and read my book and kind of hang out with Eric and Dawson and some friends that stop by, and it's kind of nice to just chill. Dawson had a good time. And
Dawson, what are your top 3 things about winter camping? Ooh, tough crowd. And we made it back.
made it.
Whew, made it. All right. Long ways back, but that was an awesome weekend. Good fishing, good people, lots of interesting weather. We had a snowstorm. We got a fish. We were down to below -20 both nights. Like this morning it was -25, and yeah, got a nice brook trout, and yeah, nice little campsite on a lake. And
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
see you later.
Later.
Ready to go, Dawson?